So we are about to fix this gate. The motor has a problem, so we are here to get it sorted. We got a call from our manufacturer that there's a client here in Ghana that has a problem. So we are going to fix it today. So let's go. Hi guys, so we are done with the motor. Wow, the motor is working perfectly well. We've serviced it and given it a power filter, so the motor is going to work perfectly well. If you have any projects, any motor servicing or whatever, you make sure you give us a call. We are certified by Centurion. We are the best guys on the market. We are the best deals. You call us now.